So in this video we will take a look how to require an exact amount of uploaded files. So it will work like this. Let's say for this one we need 2 pictures uploaded by the end customer, and at the moment you can upload as many as you want. So now we will change that. We go back to our app dashboard. Let me do that. We go to our button, we click edit. We scroll down to the section upload quantity. I will extend it, and we can see by default it's currently set at a single file, so just one file is allowed. We have the opportunity to say unlimited files, but in our case we need a set of number of files. So we want to have minimum 2 and a maximum 2. So I can click save. Now changes are saved. We go to the product page, we refresh it. Now if we go here and we will select more than 2, I can do so. You will see you have chosen too many files, 2 is maximum. So I can also not edit at the moment. So what I have to do is I have to delete one, and then you will see that I will be able to add these 2 files. You can do it whatever you want here. Also you can have less minimum and more maximum, and you can do everything what you can imagine.